Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Grate 2 large russet potatoes into a bowl and immediately submerge them in cold water to remove surface starch. Drain and rinse, then squeeze out as much water as possible using a clean kitchen towel. Reserve about 2 tablespoons of the strained potato starch and discard the rest of the water. Return the drained shreds to the bowl, season with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and mix gently so the seasonings distribute without mashing the shreds. Heat a cast iron skillet or griddle over medium-high until hot. Add 1 tablespoon butter and 1 tablespoon vegetable oil per 8-inch cooking area, and let the butter foam and subside so the fat is shimmering. Add the shredded potatoes and press into a 6 to 8-inch patty about 3/8 inch thick so edges contact the griddle for even browning. Cook without moving for 6 to 8 minutes until deep golden brown. Then flip and cook another 6 to 8 minutes until crisp and cooked through. After the second side cooks, press the edges gently with a spatula to tighten the crust and ensure even contact. Check doneness by piercing. It should be tender inside and crisp outside, with an internal temperature around 165 degrees F if measured. For optional variations, stir in 2 tablespoons finely chopped onion, 2 tablespoons chopped green pepper, or fold in 1 ounce shredded cheese before forming the patty for a flavored hash brown. Serve immediately with ketchup, hot sauce, or...
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.